guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be playing some Modern Combat 3. So last time I left off finishing mission 1 and 2. So let's go for mission 3 right away without further ado. Okay.
Anvil 1 deploys to the top of Mount Lee, where the KPR forces are located.
And the voice cuts off. I don't know why. Can we... Okay. The volume is right.
Stay sure. We'll make contact with the enemy soon.
They're cut off. No supply
Okay,
line,
we're
no
with
reinforcements.
Mendoza.
Take them out, we neutralize the threat.
Yeah.
Hijo de puta! They're shelling
Dude!
us!
Oh, starting in a battle already? Dude.
Walker! Run like hell!
Dude, I can only walk. I do not run. Like, my name. Really self-explanatory, man. Get out! My name is Walker.
Ready for a six-pack and strip club.
But this is not time for jokes, okay?
Mark 1, this is Anvil.
I'm good.
Question airstrike.
Anvil request denied.
This is
Hostiles have an
serious,
anti-aircraft
man.
battery nearby.
We're on Hollywood, dude.
Need to take out those AA batteries.
We're living the American dream right now. Locate the AAW. Dude. Yes. Dude. Come on. Kill the guys. I'm gonna catch up with you, Turner. These guys are giving me a hard time, dude. Come on. Grenade! Grenades! Yes! Maiden! What's this? Oh! I know this now, dude. The one on the top! The heck, dude! I died off the bat, man. Gotta be serious right now. Come on. Dude. Come on. I still get hits, man. I'm right behind a object. And I'm still getting hit, dude. Grenade! Yes, there is at the top. No. Run. What is this game, man? Dude. I can't believe that I'm already starting to a healing machine. Come on. Nope. Blades! Come on, die already, man. You know that it's over, right? Okay. Come on. We're gonna move on, Turner. Good. Take it pass around. The maiden is cool and all, but so I'll take this one. Dude, I can't. In fact, I'm going to purchase a heavy armor because of these guys. Yes, I will help you. So, we are at the anti-AA battery. So I'll clear this out for you. You're at mission turn. Come on.
Contact
my healing words are only come on and I don't know, man. And man, that was my healing words. Okay, come on. Come on, Turner. This way. Automat. This is a lot more ammo, man. I don't know. I might like this one. Okay, what you gonna do, man? You're still an enemy? Where is it? Is this a bug? Some kind? Okay. Just head off my direction, Captain Turner. You're at the right spot earlier. Dude, what are you doing? There's nothing, dude. There's nothing wrong with this. Genuinely, what the heck is happening? He's in that. What the? Come on, you're at the AA battery.
Take Overwatch while I recharge.
Dude, that was the longest that I... You can see that I was invisible. No, you can hear me just walking around. Because I don't know where's the enemy. I honestly don't know, dude. Okay, I will detonate it. Come on. Yes. Now let's escape from this. You cost too much time because of you. There's actually an enemy. I just don't see it. Y'all can actually hear me confused, man. I wasn't really expecting that. Where are you now? Dude! I'm firing my bullets at bro, dude. Go this way. Actually, this is the episode that I've been the most deaf.
Enemy in front of you! Behind cover!
Come on. I picked up another weapon because that was too heavy for me, man. Because the loading was so slow, man. So we're gonna go into this hole. Come on. I go first, man. Okay, that took a lot of time, man. Regroup with team. Okay. Good. Got you behind that dude.
Over there!
Oh, you can slide it. Okay. I didn't even know that. Using my pistol right now. You You can actually slide in
I need
this.
suppressing fire.
Okay, this is OP now. I'm gonna slide over all over. Oh, you were already there? You're fast. You're a fast boy, man. Oh, I got another maiden, but I don't like this one. I like the more lightweighted.
Can't get him. He's behind cover.
You go first.
Requesting cover.
Okay.
Holy shit.
Good. Why most of the time that I don't? Cool. Gonna go down.
Look, there's some C4 on that artillery. I'll cover.
Okay, I hear you. I hear you. Okay. Come on. Go, 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 go. Come on, go, go, go.
Can't get a line of fire.
Detonate. Yes.
Mark leader, requesting. Man down.
Come in. Oh, thank you for the support. Support, Hawk 2. Come on, come on. Dude, I'm already firing up, bro. You see that the fire button does not work, man, because of my awkward holding. Like I'm holding the phone in a awkward way. It's a dude. Can you even hit me at this? Dude. Behind the bench, dude. Come on. Kill all of this. Grenades. Dude. I'm not killing him, dude. Dude. Come on. Like, all of my keywords are come on, or something like that. I was getting annoying. So, I do not want to be like this, dude. My other few words are man and dude at every end sentences of my sentences. Yeah. Killed him, dude. That's what you get, boy. Genuine, what the heck am I doing?
This is Turner. Here in the top. Prepare for unified action against
Oh, another. Oh, okay. Come on. Dude, every time. That was at the checkpoint.
This is Turner. Here in the top. Prepare for unified action against hostiles.
I was at the checkpoint, guys. At least. More grenades. Get out the way, Turner. I need to reload, man. Give me time to breath. Did that guy just... He just front flip, dude. Front flip at me. Seriously? Front at me. Tryna act cool, man. Oh, this is heavily... But this is a good hiding, dude. Dude, I'm not even trying to hop off.
Hold the ground. Secure the area.
Okay, I will. Boom, headshot. Okay. Got another. Dude. Resist until reinforcements arrive. Okay. Dude! Turner!
Down!
Crap! Run, man! No. Dude! Did you see how Turner? Did you see how Turner died?
What happened?
Look at that! The rims! Oh man! What the fuck, man? Dude! That is traumatizing as fuck, dude. Dude, where are the remaining?
We've wiped out the remaining KPR forces. This is PMC Mendoza. Turner was KIA.
Rip.
Damn.
Yes, he was. Torres.
I'm patching you.
Sergeant Downs.
Walker. I'm leading a team called Phantom
Oh.
Unit. We're being deployed to a nightmarish hellhole called Alaska. It's a suicide mission. You want in?
Hell yeah! I want in. Living the American dream, boy. We are... Yeah. But at what cost, man? We died. We died multiple times to get with a bad ending. Turner was killed. Genuinely, I don't know what to feel right now, dude. Feeling like bipolar right now. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. See you around, and goodbye, guys. Goodbye and God bless.